Hello, still we're talking about nonlinear equations, and here we'll see about revenue, cost and profit. Okay, let's have an example. Here given the demand function P equals to 10 minus 2Q, so express TR as a function of Q. TR means total revenue, and P is price and Q is the quantity, and we also want to sketch the graph. Okay, first let's start with changing this in terms of what? Q. That means writing TR in terms of Q. First, let me give you the formula for TR. Total revenue is price times quantity. And what's the price? It's given here. 100 minus 2Q multiplied by Q. So open the bracket, it will be 100Q minus 2Q squared. So now you can see that here it's a non-linear equation because here you have Q squared. Now here TR is already expressed in terms of what? In terms of the Q. Okay, we want to sketch the graph. First we have to find the zeros to sketch the graph. So instead of TR we will put 0, because for what value of Q is TR 0? So TR will be 0. 100Q minus 2Q squared. Here you can have a common factor, which is, I prefer to bring the equals to 0 on this side, it's better. So here you have a common factor of 2Q, and what will be left here is 50 minus 1Q equals to 0. Now we will have either 2Q equals to 0 or 50 minus Q equals to 0. Here if you divide both sides, of course Q would be 0. So here the value of Q is 0. Or on the other side you can bring the Q back. 50 equals to what? Q. So the value of Q is either 0 or 50. So for this question A, for what values of Q is TR 0? For the value 0 and for the value 50. Now to find the maximum value of TR, do you remember how to find the maximum value? To find the maximum value, add the two answers, which is 0 and 50, and divide it by 2. 0 plus 50 is 50, 50 divided by 2 is just 25. So take this 25 and plug it in the equation, and your equation is TR equals to what? Of course, this 25 is corresponding to Q. And to find the maximum point, instead of TR equals to 100Q minus 2Q squared, right? So instead of this Q, I want you to plug in this 25. 100 times 25 minus 2 times 25 squared. This will give you 2500 minus, let me use a calculator here. $625 squared is 625. When you multiply it by 2, you'll have 1250. If you subtract this one, you'll have also 1250. So this will be your maximum point. And once you want to sketch the graph, of course, I think that the graph is already sketched here. Yes, the graph is sketched. Look, this is TR first, and this will be Q. So the points on Q were 0 and 50, the answers. If you remember, Q was 0 and Q was what? 50. And our maximum point was Q equals to 25, and TR equals to what? 1250. So this is our maximum point. regarding to Q it will be here on 25, and regarding to the TR it's 1250. This is our maximum point. And of course because here it's negative 2Q squared, the slope is negative, so the graph is going down this way because the slope is negative. So that's your graph. I'll give you a function that I want you to sketch by yourself, like P equals to 1000 minus Q, and I want you to write TR in terms of Q. I want you to sketch the graph. I want you to know when TR will be 0 and what's the maximum point for TR.